This is your ultimate guide to the 6 most reliable cars you can buy for under $80,000 in 2025. That price cap lets us explore everything from practical sedans to surprisingly luxurious options, all united by legendary dependability. These are the cars you buy when you want zero drama and no surprise repair bills. Just a vehicle that works, every time. Today, I'll break down the top 6, explain why they're so reliable, and what makes them stand out. We'll cover their history, powertrains, quirks, and why owners swear by them. If peace of mind is your top priority, these are the cars you need to know about. Let's kick things off with the car that defines reliability. The Toyota Camry is the gold standard for reliability. Year after year, it just works. Its legendary engines and robust automatic transmission are built to last, with no gimmicks. Recent Camrys add sharp styling and sporty TRD versions, but reliability remains unmatched. That's why the Camry tops reliability rankings and is the benchmark for peace of mind. Next, the Honda Accord, the Camry's only true rival, but with a sportier twist. The Accord blends dependability with a more engaging drive, making it the choice for those who want reliability and a little excitement. Honda's turbocharged 4-cylinder and hybrid engines are both efficient and impressively durable. The Accord Hybrid in particular is a standout for reliability and fuel economy, thanks to Honda's mature hybrid tech. Maintenance is affordable, with widely available parts and a reputation for avoiding major repairs. Inside, the Accord feels a class above. High-quality materials, intuitive controls, and a spacious, comfortable cabin. Owners love the Accord's mix of practicality, comfort, and fun-to-drive nature. It's a car people buy again and again because it never lets them down. Reliability doesn't have to be boring, the Accord proves it. If you want peace of mind and a car you'll actually enjoy driving, the Accord is a top pick. It's the sensible choice for the enthusiast at heart. Honda's formula: build it right, keep it simple, and make it last. That's why the Accord is a legend. Dependable, enjoyable, and built to go the distance. Third on our list is the Subaru Outback, the go-anywhere all-weather champion. The Outback's symmetrical all-wheel drive is always on, delivering unmatched traction and stability in any condition. Its naturally aspirated boxer engine is a proven workhorse, built for longevity, not speed. Subaru's focus on durability extends to every part of the Outback, from its rugged suspension to its water-resistant interior materials. Owners are fiercely loyal, trusting their Outbacks for everything from daily commutes to mountain adventures. The wagon-like body offers massive cargo space and high ground clearance, perfect for families and outdoor enthusiasts. Clever features like integrated roof crossbars and practical storage make it a true utility vehicle. Safety is a huge part of the Outback's appeal, with top ratings and standard eyesight driver assist tech. It's not just about surviving the elements. It's about keeping you and your family safe every trip. The Outback is the Swiss Army knife of reliable cars. Versatile, tough, and always ready. If you need a car that can handle anything life throws at it, this is your answer. Subaru's formula: capability, safety, and trust. That's why the Outback is a staple in places with real weather. For reliability with adventure built in, the Outback is unmatched. It's the car you buy when you want to be ready for anything. Dependable, practical, and built for the long haul. Now let's step into luxury with the Lexus ES, a car that proves reliability and comfort can go hand in hand. The ES shares its platform and powertrains with the Camry, inheriting Toyota's bulletproof engineering. The V6 and hybrid options are both smooth, efficient, and famously long-lasting. Unlike most luxury cars, the ES is cheap to own and holds its value exceptionally well. Inside, you get true luxury soft leather, real wood, and a whisper-quiet ride. Lexus's obsessive build quality means no rattles, no squeaks, just serene comfort. The ES is designed to be stress-free, with a ride that soaks up bumps and seats that make long trips effortless. Lexus dealerships are known for top-tier customer service, making ownership a pleasure. You get all the luxury, none of the headaches. The ES is the smart choice for buyers who want premium comfort without sacrificing peace of mind. It's a luxury car you can trust for the long haul. Reliability, comfort, and value, wrapped in one elegant package. The ES is proof you don't have to choose between luxury and dependability. For those who want it all, the Lexus ES delivers. It's the thinking person's luxury sedan, quiet, comfortable, and built to last. Fifth, the Mazda CX-5, a compact crossover that's as reliable as it is fun to drive. Mazda's Skyactiv engineering focuses on perfecting proven tech, not chasing trends. The CX-5's naturally aspirated engine and 6-speed automatic are simple, robust, and responsive. It consistently ranks at the top of reliability charts, even beating out some bigger names. Safety is a highlight, with top scores from the IUHS and advanced crash prevention features. The CX-5 stands out for its premium feel, inside and out. Elegant styling, high-quality materials, and a driver-focused cabin make it feel more expensive than it is. It's the best-handling crossover in its class, making every drive enjoyable. Owners love the blend of reliability, style, and driving fun. Maintenance is straightforward and affordable, adding to its appeal. The CX-5 proves you don't have to settle for boring to get dependability. It's a crossover you'll actually look forward to driving. For buyers who want reliability with a dash of soul, the CX-5 is a standout. Sensible, stylish, and built to last. Mazda's secret: make it simple, make it fun, make it last. Last but not least, the Hyundai Santa Fe, a family SUV that's redefined what reliability means. Hyundai's 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty is unmatched, showing real confidence in their engineering. The Santa Fe's engines are proven, efficient, and shared across the Hyundai-Kia lineup, making parts easy to find and repairs affordable. Tech is a major selling point. Digital displays, intuitive infotainment, and even remote smart parking. Despite all the features, the core mechanicals are straightforward and robust. The interior is spacious, comfortable, and packed with clever storage for families. Hyundai's bold design and high-quality materials make the Santa Fe feel special. Owners rave about the value, dependability, and peace of mind that comes with the warranty. Hyundai has shed its old reputation and is now a smart, reliable choice. The Santa Fe is perfect for families who want the latest tech and zero worries. It's a modern SUV that's easy to own and built to last. Reliability, style, and technology, all in one package. For a worry-free family vehicle, the Santa Fe is hard to beat. Hyundai's transformation is complete. This is a brand you can trust. Dependable, practical, and ready for anything. There you have it. 6 of the most reliable cars you can buy for under $80,000. From legendary sedans to rugged crossovers and luxury standouts, each offers a unique take on dependability. Whether you want low running costs, all-weather capability, luxury, or cutting-edge tech, there's a car here for you. These vehicles are built on proven engineering and trusted by owners everywhere. If peace of mind is your top priority, start your search with these 6. Choose wisely and enjoy years of worry-free driving.